Here we will discuss offer traffic. Offer traffic is the product of average number of calls generated by the users and the average holding time per call. Now the actual traffic carried out by the network is called carried out traffic. Here the next topic is blocking probability. Blocking probability is defined as that all servers in a system are busy. Full stop. If all system in a server is busy, then this is denoted as blocking probability. Blocking probability is represented by PB. Now the comparison in between grade of service and blocking probabilities. This is very important topic in this unit. Hence, we will divide page into two parts. First one is grade of service. Second one is blocking probability. Now the grade of service is defined as loss traffic upon offered traffic A minus A naught divided by A. Blocking probability is that all the servers in a system are busy, no further traffic can be carried out by the system. Grade of service is observing by the subscriber traffic, but the blocking probability is observing by the network behavior. Hence, third one is grade of service called call congestion or loss probability, but blocking probability is called time congestion. In delay system, grade of service is always 0, but in loss system, blocking probability does not equal to 0. Now next topic is we will compare in between loss system and delay system. This is also a very important topic. Loss system are those system overload traffic is rejected without being served in loss traffic. In delay system, overload traffic held in a queue until the network becomes available. Calls are lost. In delay system, calls are delayed. In loss system, performance parameter for loss system grade of service and blocking probability, but in delay system, basic performance parameter is service delay. Full stop. Thank you.